Let's taste it. Ooh, what is gonna be in here? Oh. Hey cuties! So today I'm going... It all just fell. Oh my gosh. Today I'm gonna be doing a Taste Test Tuesday. Welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Let me just scrape my dignity up off the floor. I was on TikTok live and you guys said that you guys missed Taste Test Tuesday. So here we go. Welcome back. Hello everyone. I cannot wait to show you guys what I have. There are some like things I have no idea what it is, what they're gonna taste like. Some I'm like, I know what that's gonna taste like and it's just for the cuteness of it. But then there's some like, what? So, cannot wait for this. The first thing I want to say is, I always say this, it's Tuesday, try something new today, whether it's food, whether it's a new TV show, whether it's a new country song. You never know if you like country. Try a different artist. I don't like country. There's only like a couple artists I like, but you never know until you actually listen to it. Maybe it's rock, maybe it's heavy metal, maybe it's AC/DC. Give it a shot. You never know. But for me, it's a bunch of food. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start with the thing that I know it's gonna be good and I'm so excited to try these. I've had these in my taste test box for a while, so I hope they're not old. So they are Nicki Minaj chips. So they're wrap snacks and Nicki Minaj, I guess, made the flavors. I hope she did because her face is on it. And this girl loves truffle. Calling all barbs, you better be on your truffle game. Like, because she loves truffle. She didn't just sing about truffle butter. She is truffle butter. I was gonna say, that's so stupid. She just loves truffle because both of these, this first one here is barbecuing with my honey truffle. So I don't know if it's just a name or if there's actual truffle in it. And then there's salt and vinegar truffle. They're both just potato chips. Sometimes wrap snacks, you can get wavy ones. She likes just the potato chips, so let's give these a go. These were $3.99. On the back, it has the same quote. There's like her right there and it says, "'Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me." Oh my god, I love that it says that. So let's try these barbecuing with my honey truffle first. I wish that I could have this moment for life. Ooh, they smell good. This is what they look like. They look very good. They look like just basic barbecue chips. But these are honey barbecue. And then, is there truffle in it? Let's taste it. Barbecue chips are already sweet to me. There is truffle in here. Unless it's a placebo effect. Oh my god, they're like a step up from Lay's. I'm not just saying that because the queen is on the packaging here at all. Oh my god, look, Mr. Pear is here with me. I didn't even see him under there. He was high, he just wanted to say hello. He really likes Nicki Minaj. Those, I'm gonna have to say are like a 9.3 out of 10. We're starting really strong. But these are salt and vinegar truffle. I love salt and vinegar chips. Those are like pretty much my favorite kind of chips, I would say. But truffle, oh my god. So they look kind of darker than regular salt and vinegar. Why can't I speak? Let's go for the wish chip. Some people call these a folded chip. Some people call these a wish chip. What do you call it? They don't taste like salt and vinegar. It tastes like truffle and vinegar. Okay, yeah, they're salty, but they don't taste like your typical salt and vinegar, because salt and vinegar are very salty. Like, obviously there's like a salt in there, but these are like more like truffle vinegar. But holy crap, those take like salt and vinegar to a whole different level. A crunch. I like these better. So on these I'm gonna have to go like a 9.5 out of 10. Those are amazing. If you guys ever see these, get them. Like pretty much all the wrap snacks are always so good. I buy them because of the wrappers on the bag. Pretty sure everyone else does too, but yeah. Okay, next up we have some Pear jelly. I got these in Edmonton or Calgary. I got these in Calgary. These are, okay, fruit juice pulp jelly, and then whatever that says at the beginning of that there, I don't know. But these were super cheap. They were like under $5 and they look so cute. I don't know where the stem went for this. I need to know what this is and if I need a spoon or something. Like, oh my god. This I feel like should be like $20. I don't know. I feel like it's like, oh, there's the stem. It just fell. Oh my god, now everything's falling. But like the attention to detail, look at this. Okay, let's open one up and see what's inside. Oh, they're all hot glued and there's like hot glue strings everywhere. I don't know how to open this. Oh, I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Like, it's jelly, but is it like pear jelly? Like, what is happening here? Do you just, oh, something's happening. Is this how you even open it? What? Oh my god, there's a spoon with it. Look at the inside. I have to zoom you in. Look it, there's like little pieces of, oh my god, this is like, how do I do this? Oh my god, how do I do this? Okay, so I think you just, there's a spoon here. It looks like this. Okay, so it's just like a little jelly cup and this is like plastic. This is so cool. Oh my god, it literally looks like water. I don't know why I'm whispering. I feel like I'm gonna disrupt it. Put it in here for the aesthetic. Like, how cute is this? Oh my god, it's dripping, it's dripping. It's dripping, it's dripping, it's dripping. I should have opened this first. Mmm, smells very fresh, very fruity. Low-key smells like a pear bubble tea, kind of mango-y a little bit. I don't, oh, she squirted. I'm gonna grab a little chunk of the jelly there. I want that fruit, but. Okay, it's a little artificially tasty. I mean, what do you expect? I wanna try that fruit because maybe that'll give it like a beautiful like fruit blast. It doesn't taste like your typical like Jell-O, like how Jell-O tastes. It's more, I would say, brighter than a Jell-O. Okay, consistency of like a mandarin orange, but the flavor of pear. It's just so fun. Imagine taking this to school, like when you were a kid. Just the funnest thing ever. Okay, this is very like light. I like it. I'm gonna save it for later. It's a little Easter egg, kind of. I'm gonna give that like a 7 point, I want it closed. Okay, wait, a 7.4 out of 10. Next up, we're gonna try this spicy barks. My friend found this like way up north when he was working, and he was like, have you seen this before? And I was like, no. And he's like, it's spicy barks. And I was like, I think I would know if they came out with the spicy barks. Like, I'm the queen of like new food releases. And he's like, well, I'm staring at it, so you're obviously not. Like, and he's like, no, it literally, I was like, show me. And he went to the store, and he went back to the store just to like prove me wrong, because that's like literally our relationship. We're like, we always nitpick at each other, like in a fun way. And literally, it says on it, seriously spicy bite. I'm convinced he made this. I haven't heard of it, I haven't seen it, I haven't seen anyone talk about it. I follow like a bunch of like new food pages, so I was like, what is this? I've never seen it. And it's like cherry bite. I like bark, so I don't know if this is like not root beer anymore. It's just like a cherry drink, a spicy cherry drink, but I feel like it's gonna give me like alcohol vibes. I don't know, anything like cherry flavor, it's like, it's gonna be like porn star flavor to me. I feel like that's what this is gonna, that's what immediately I thought of. But it smells like Barks root beer with a little bit of cough syrup in it. Like a little, why is it foaming up like this? Why is it foaming up like this? Did you see that? Did you see that? Like a little bit of Buckley's. Mmm. No spicy bite. No spicy bite at all. No bite at all. This is okay. This is okay. It's not what I expected. It doesn't taste medicine-y or porn star-y at all. It just tastes like, yeah, like a cherry Dr. Pepper. It tastes like a cherry Dr. Pepper. That's what it tastes like, exactly. But it's not that great. Like, I'm not a pop girly, so I'm probably not gonna rate it that high. For me, it's like a 1 out of 10 because I don't like pop. But for the flavor-wise, it's better than what I expected. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. All right, now the moment I have not been waiting for. Urine? Urine.
Urine.
You're in for a treat, it says. Literally it says you're in for a treat. Sour liquid candy, and it has, literally in quotes, samples. So I'm like, why are you putting it in quotes? Is this really sour candy, or is this like to prank your friends with and be like, oh, ha, it's urine, but like literally looks like a pea sample. Exactly like a pea sample. Jar made in China, candy made in the United States. It's just disgusting looking, like look at this. Ugh. Oh my God. Oh my God. The shaking of it, I think it's just like the, because I tried cow tongue once and it wasn't that bad, but it was like the mental of it, like there's a cow tongue in my mouth, like it was just that. So like this is gonna be like, it's literally, it's like a piece of, and I'm gonna be thinking like it was used and shit like that. Okay, so it's not sterile anymore, everyone. Like what? That's like the hardest thing I've ever had to open. Maybe it's like not candy. Maybe it's just like a prop or something and I'm trying to open it. Oh no, I got it, besties. I'm just really scared. Like there's no ingredients list on it either. That's why I'm like, oh my God, it's like sticking to my hand. It smells like a tequila shot. My God, look, stop. Look what I'm looking at. Stop it right now, look at this. It's like a pool. Oh my God, what is this to do, just drink it? This is repulsive. This is probably the nastiest thing I've ever done. I just had a pea sample like a couple months ago. Imagine like opening it back up and like, don't imagine it. I'm like blocking off my nose. Oh. I don't think you're supposed to consume that. Oh my God, okay, it's not that bad. It's really thick. It says it's sour candy. It is sour. Oh, it's like stale. They really tried to hit it home with that pea tip flavor. I don't even know what flavoring it is. It's probably natural flavorings, to be honest. It's warm and like syrupy. It's not like super syrupy. Like, it's just like the perfect consistency of like what it's supposed to be. And I am actually sick right now, like of looking at this. Like 1 out of 10. Like, cause it does have like a good aftertaste. As soon as you taste it, it's like it tastes like a tequila shot, and then it tastes stale, and then it just tastes like rubber, kind of. What? It tastes like the smell of like pee. I can't. Ew, why? Okay, up next, hopefully this is gonna be good. This is gonna be something that I feel like was different. I also just did a Kool-Aid hair tutorial. I dyed my extensions with Kool-Aid, so if you guys wanna see, check out my last video. So this is Kool-Aid Cotton Candy in Tropical Punch. Please be good. I just don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. I feel like the world sucks with everything. Smells good. It actually looks like the Tropical Punch Kool-Aid. I mean, shocking. Why wouldn't it? Like what? Looks like this. It just like looks like cotton candy. I feel like it's just gonna taste like I'm pushing it everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's like a big cloud. Obviously, it's cotton candy. Okay. Oh. Flaking everywhere I can. I thought it was just gonna be like cotton candy and they were just gonna say it's Kool-Aid. This is exactly Kool-Aid. It melts in your mouth. Oh, it's gonna stay in too. Oh my god, this is so Kool-Aid and like Tropical Punch. This so far is the #1 bang on flavor of what it is. Oh, and my tongue's starting blue too. I really like cotton candy too. My teeth are gonna be all blue. Cool. Looks like I was with a Smurf. Oh my god, it's all down. Excuse me, everyone. Excuse me for a second. I'm gonna give that like a 7.6 out of 10. Like, that's good. All right, next up we have, oh, that was pretty slick Rick. We have this, sorry if I butcher this pronunciation. It's Vasito Mara. It is dolce, it's sweet. It is sweet flavor with tamarind with chili. I love tamarind. I like chili. So I'm pretty sure I got this in Mexico. I don't know where I got this, but it is obviously a Mexican candy. So I am excited to give it a go because I really like Mexican candy. It gives that like perfect, if you don't like something really sweet, usually, I shouldn't say this is because there's obviously like sweet candies, but something like this I was envisioning is gonna be like that candy, but not. like for like Canadian or American, like how you picture candy to be like really sweet. It looks like a Play-Doh container. I just have a feeling I'm gonna love this. The tamarind. Oh my god. So I don't know how to eat this. There's just a huge tub of it. I'm just gonna take it like this because I've been the only one gonna be eating it, so. My germs. It's like liquid tamarind candy. The tamarind candy that I've had, it's gonna drop before, usually comes in like a harder rope kind of, and you like chew it. The fact this is like liquid candy, the only liquid candy I've seen in Canada that I've seen, I should say, not that we just have it, is like liquid, like sour candy, kind of like the urine, but like liquid sour. This is like, I can like eat this by the spoonful if I'm craving something sweet or craving something sweet and savory. This is amazing. I can't even explain, how to explain to you. It's kind of like molassesy texture. There's a sweetness in it. It's kind of like barbecue sauce. Ish. It's literally its own flavor. 8.8 out of 10. Really good. Okay, so I've tried these before, but I've never tried this kind, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I haven't tried this kind. But this is called the Sour Sis. She's all like, woo! I usually hate these. These are disgusting to me. They don't taste anything like pickles. They taste so artificial and just gross. I like pickles, but like I don't know. It's just like, it usually gives me like the ick. It says Sour Sis. What does it say? Oh, tart and tangy. I feel like all of them taste the same. I've tried them all and like they all taste the same. I don't usually like them. So this was $5 for like one pickle. It is, granted, it is very giant. Okay, let's try this. Sour Sis. I had to get it because it said that. This one is not as gross smelling as the other ones to me. I know people love these, so they're probably mad at me. People try the juice first, which I'm going to do. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Fun fact, I used to chase my vodka shots with pickle juice. Any kind of alcohol, actually, I used to chase it with pickle juice. This would be up there in pickle juices that I would like. Oh, I like how easy it is to open. Okay, this one now I have high hopes for. I had like the lowest expectations. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a giant pickle. I'm like, oh my god, those GMOs in it. It smells incredible. Like, it smells incredible. Usually I get like a very plasticky smell with these, and the juice just tastes like flat. Or not flat, you know what I mean? Like just stale. Stale is what I mean, not flat. Flat is for like pop and soda. No plasticky taste. This is the best one of these, like those Van Holtens or whatever pickles I've tried. I think it might be the tart and tangy. Isn't tart and tangy the same thing? Isn't that just like a pickle? How would you describe a pickle to an alien? Because now apparently aliens are coming here. That's a whole other freaking show and movie and podcast, which is not me. But if you were to explain what a pickle is to like a baby or something, to a toddler, somebody who's never tried a pickle before, you would say it's tart and tangy, right? This is good. Okay, she's like sour sis, more like sloppy sis. Okay, I'm digging her. 0 calories. I'm gonna go ahead and give that an 8 out of 10. That is good. That's one of the best pickles I've had in a long time, actually. I'm gonna save this. I might just have it for lunch today with the other things I'm having. But I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching this Taste Test Tuesday. Be nice to each other today. Hug your neighbor, and I love you so much. But don't physically go hug your neighbor. My neighbors, actually, one of them, like, they like me, but like we just kind of just like say hello. So if I went up and just like hug them, I feel like it would be awkward. Also, my window's open, so I'm gonna go. Bye.